You are not free to leave right now.
Hey.
Yes, you are.
Don't touch me.
Yes, you are.
Hey! Off for him!
Y'all cannot come in this man's house. Y'all know that. Y'all can't come in this man's house. Your officers out of my house. You need to step outside. No. Touch me.
On the 21st of September 2025, officers responded to a complaint about loud music. The call escalated into a warrantless entry into a private home, the use of chemical spray, and an arrest. The exact location and agency were not disclosed, so this analysis applies to federal constitutional standards that govern nationwide.
Do you even think we gave a warning? We just write this into you.
Tommy.
Tommy, where's Tommy at?
Tommy went to the store.
He went to the store? Well?
I don't know what Tommy was.
Yeah, the guy who lives here, man.
I'm over here with my girlfriend.
All right.
I don't know who the house this is.
What's up, man? We can turn the music down. What y'all doing?
Yeah, it's the music, man.
All right. I'm going to turn it down. The music is over.
Do you even know who that guy is?
I don't know him.
You don't know him? He didn't even know who you were, and he's at your house.
Listen, I'm going to turn the music down, guys. It's over with.
Police over here for a music car?
They played.
That don't even sound right. That don't even sound right.
Nah, this is it. This is it. You hear me? This is it. This is it. They was playing music before y'all even got out here, but it's cool. I'm turning it. It's over with.
It's over with?
Yeah, it's
The after party's not here?
no. And there's no after party.
Well, that's what I'm saying.
Nothing but family.
Nothing but family?
Just as well as they had family.
Everybody over here was just playing music.
I know, but it's always here. You know what I mean?
You're right.
That's why people always call here on you guys.
Say less. So this is over with. Y'all good?
Well, these cars, I don't know whose cars these are. This anybody that belongs here?
Yeah.
They can't be parked that way. They're
Not
parked.
on the grass. Cool.
There's a truck parked over there, parked the wrong way. That's not yours.
So
Okay.
y'all not
Okay.
Hold on.
Well,
You just said-
I'm just saying if it's anybody that lives here.
Hold on. Listen to me. You just said they can't be parked that way. So are you gonna get on them?
I can go get on them.
Please. And she finna move hers. But get on them.
Well, the reason I'm saying is I don't want you guys' car to get towed. I'm trying to help you out because if we come back out here, then we're gonna have to start writing parking tickets. We'll start towing cars.
That
you know
part
what I
I
mean?
don't even care about.
Well, the people who are here probably gonna care about that. You know what I mean?
Yeah, they can do that. I don't care. I don't care. I pay it. Y'all been writing tickets. So if you gonna go that route, then it's a different scenario. You know what I'm saying? So she gonna move her car, sis. Go move your car, but do exactly what you said you was gonna do. Go get on them.
I know.
Now go.
I know.
All y'all can leave.
I know,
It's over
but
with.
I need your ID because you gotta get in.
I don't got an ID. Go. You.
Tommy,
Go.
we need your info. Need your
I
info
don't
again.
got it. You know it already.
I don't know it off the top of my head.
Well, I don't know what to tell you. Go. Go sit down. Don't, go do your car. Baby, go sit down. I'm not giving them nothing. I'm not doing nothing. Now, just go get on them like you just said.
I know. Tommy.
One thing at a time, Tommy.
Go. They are. Hey. Let
Really?
me do me. Y'all go ahead. Watch out. Get on them.
Tommy, what's your middle initial?
I don't got one.
You don't have a middle initial?
Nope.
What's a good phone number for you?
I don't got one.
You don't have a phone at all?
Nope.
Then how's the music
I
playing?
don't got one.
Okay. What's your date of birth?
I don't got one.
Yes, you do.
I don't got one.
You have a birthday.
I don't got one. Do what you said you was finna do to them.
Well, I'm
They
doing.
move their cars.
I'm doing what I came here to do first.
Do what y'all do. Do what y'all do. Cuz, come on.
Tommy.
Watch out.
Tommy.
Do what y'all gonna do, bro.
I know, but
We're trying.
I just did what
I need your information
I don't
so
got
I can
one.
leave.
Bye. Go.
It's
Go
just
that
loud
way.
music. We're
Go
getting.
do your thing.
It's a city ticket. It's no big deal.
Bye.
Where's Cook at? Cook
Go
at.
do what y'all gonna do over there.
Well, I'm gonna do what I'm gonna do here first.
It ain't nothing you can do. Hey, all y'all can go. I'm not finna talk to them, good. That's what I'm saying. Chill. We talking over here. I'm trying to talk to them. So talk to them. No,
Sure,
I already got two of them.
Wait, he's required hard to identify himself.
Yeah, I'm not.
I
That's
know,
what I'm
but
telling
they're
them.
not gonna take it out.
Yeah, leave them alone. Let them go.
You want us to fill it out?
Yeah, let them go. Bye.
Sure, that's fine. Tommy, you don't have an updated phone
I
number?
don't got nothing.
What's your birthday?
I don't got one.
You have to
don't
provide it.
got
You
one,
have to
bro.
provide it. Dude,
I
you've
don't
been
have
around
one.
this. You've done this a million
Sir,
times.
I don't got one.
Yes, you do.
Sir, well, look it up.
Well, I need you to. You
Look it
were
up,
required
sir.
to provide
Look
it to
it
us.
up, sir.
We're not.
Look it up.
We're not trying to give you. We're not trying to give you a hard time.
Bye.
But
I just turned the music off.
yeah, but it's
Bye.
every weekend
No,
we
it's
do
not.
this. Yes,
You
it
just,
is. Yes,
that's
it is.
just the address you get. So I'm gonna live with
And
that.
it's
I'm not
it's
finna
always
argue with you.
You are.
I'm not.
Give me your
I don't got it.
Yes, you do.
Now bye. Now bye. I don't got it. Leave them alone. We shouldn't even be discussing this. Let them go. Please let them go. I'm telling y'all. Please let them go. Please let them go. Now what you want me to say? Because I'm
Let who
telling
go?
them.
Let who
I'm
go?
not giving them shit. Nothing. They can go. Because it wasn't even us.
Yeah,
But bye.
It is.
Bye.
It is.
Bye, sir.
You were gonna get a ticket.
Sir, well, do what you... Give me the ticket and
Well,
go.
I need your information.
I don't got one.
You don't have anything. You don't have a birthday. You don't
I
have
don't
a
got
name.
nothing, sir. I don't got nothing.
Well, what you're gonna have is a ticket at the very least.
I don't got nothing. I don't got nothing. Are we done?
No, you need to
I
stay
don't
right
have
here.
it. I don't have it. I don't have it, sir.
You are not free to leave right now.
Hey, okay. Baby, you ready to go in the house? I'm ready anyway. You ready to go in the house? I'm ready to go in the house.
He's not gonna give us a name and trying to get away.
We already got it. But
Shit.
he's not.
Okay.
He's just drunk.
Can we get it over there?
Tommy.
Can we get it over there? Okay, you're not gonna let it over there.
You need to know what the
No, I'm telling you.
Tommy.
Can we end it?
what the they doing to you.
Shit.
What they doing to you?
What
What they doing to you? How many tickets you got? 1, 2, 3. How many tickets you got? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Where the money
They
at?
harassing you.
Money at?
You not listening. You talk about money.
Where the money?
The money. They harassing
money?
you.
Where the money?
I ain't trying to hear
Where
that.
the money?
All right, go talk to them.
What?
Go talk to them.
That's what I'm telling
Go
you.
talk to them. Talk to them.
Y'all study
Go
talking.
talk to them.
What?
You shutting us up.
Where's the money?
You
Where's
shutting
the
us up.
Show me the money and we can get it on right now. We can get it on.
Tommy, what are we doing here?
That's what I'm telling you. What are we doing?
Why
You know my name. You know everything.
Why are you getting so pissed at them?
Harassment, bro. What the f*** you talking about?
He's always playing music. That's why we have to write this ticket.
I'm not the only one that plays music.
I heard it. I heard it.
Yo, get off my porch. I'm done. We're not the only ones playing music. Why you not saying that to them? Get off my porch. We're not the only ones playing music. Get off my porch. I'm ready to go in. I'm ready to go in.
It's working.
I'm ready to go in. I'm ready to go in. Put them off. Bye. I'm ready to go in. I'm ready to go in, cuz. I'm finna go in. I'm finna go in, cuz. I'm finna go in. I'm finna go in. I'm finna go in. I'm finna go in.
You're gonna stay out here until you get this
not
ticket.
staying
Yes,
out,
you
shit.
are.
Don't touch
Yes,
me.
you are.
Come on, y'all. Can I get some milk? Nah, that's bullshit. That's bullshit. Woo. I'm good.
Hey, someone get Sudicon wipes.
Can I get some?
Yeah, we're gonna get you.
Damn, this shit hurt.
We're gonna get you something to wipe it off with, okay?
Come on, y'all.
Where the sergeant at?
Y'all bullshit.
Hey, where the sergeant at, man?
I ain't do nothing, y'all.
You're obstructing civil process, Tommy. You know better.
What
Yeah.
do?
What? Tommy, let me help you out here.
Come on, can I get some wipes, though? My
I know.
eyes.
Hey, Sudicon wipes in the.
Y'all
Club
shut
house.
up!
Here, quit pulling against me. Here, let's sit him down.
I ain't
Are
did
you
nothing.
gonna? Are you gonna just lean up here for a
Yeah,
second?
yeah,
All right.
yeah.
We're gonna get you something to wipe your face off.
Come on, please, y'all.
I got you. Hang on.
This shit hot.
Hold on.
Come on, sir.
Yeah, he's getting it right now. Here, I need you to put your back against the car. Kind of look up a little bit.
Come on, y'all.
Right there. Stay like that, all right? He's opening it up.
Come on,
All
sir.
right, here it comes.
I got you.
It might be a little cold, all right?
Yeah, let's go. Come on.
Just lean up against the car. Stand still.
Come on, please.
I know. Hang on. Sorry, boss.
Please. Y'all shut up!
All right, here it comes. Here it comes.
Stop moving, okay? It's not gonna fix it, but it's gonna help it temporarily, okay?
Hey, y'all know what's crazy? Hold on.
All been avoided. We gave
Hold
him
on,
a
man.
lawful
Hold
order to
on.
stay outside, and he tried to run inside.
Hold up.
That's why this happened.
Over some music?
Yes.
He wasn't the f***ing one playing the music.
It's not about the music. They told him don't run inside. He runs inside. We have to
Cool.
stop him.
F*** that. Why y'all
So
come?
not about the music.
Hold on. Why y'all come?
Music about the music.
Facts.
Yes.
Music?
You just
told him
don't
to stay
want
outside.
understand.
I'm saying music. Music, y'all. Look though, this is the crazy
Don't you
part.
think he'd
We
understand by
wasn't
now
even
after
the
he's
ones
gotten
playing
like
the
14?
music.
We literally just started playing the
We
music.
wasn't even the ones
It's been
playing the
music all
music.
have to
night.
show up, and when we tell someone not to run inside,
So,
they run inside.
y'all
What
gotta
are we
show
supposed
up?
to do?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So why the f y'all ain't go to the right address that was playing the music? Because
we are
he
giving
used,
this address.
hold up, because y'all used to him playing the music,
No, I
right?
heard it from that speaker that's in your front porch right now.
He wasn't the one playing the
Came from
music.
right there.
They've been playing music all day.
Call on them.
No, we call what? For what? It's music.
It's a noise
Come
violation.
on, man. That's the sergeant right here. This him?
I can't breathe, y'all.
You're standing up, you're moving, you're talking, you're breathing. I promise. It just feels like that. We've all been through it too, okay?
Stop walking away from us.
I'm not doing that. I'm just trying to catch fresh air.
I know, but you gotta
I
stay right
promise
here
you.
with us.
Just give me a minute, bro.
I know, we're trying to help you.
Here, let me wipe. I'm gonna wipe again, okay?
So y'all getting
He going to jail for what?
y'all giving this to a guy who he's
No, listen. Everybody else
And I already raised my son, and he's 15. Yes,
Hold on, wait. Just about the ambulance. They didn't get I did not.
So he getting.
one of y'all did, and he's
He
15.
never get you down for the ambulance.
right?
We have an ambulance.
So what made y'all the right come in the house? Y'all got any right to come in the house?
y'all bum rushing this motherfucker like.
Y'all should have detained him when he was outside in the car. Y'all went y'all had a whole conversation. Y'all did all right. Y'all did all right.
Y'all come in, y'all could have been ticket like y'all did this other time. Y'all didn't all right. Yes, I have two
Ain't gonna lie, bro. Shane, shut the f up! Shut up! The whole
How you gonna say you guys? You know this a minor?
Yeah, but we have wipes to wipe his eyes.
Why was y'all making the crib when the bondage? You know how many babies in here? Y'all know how much that shit is.
We've explained to you why this has happened, all right? But I'm trying to offer.
Music. Look at them.
Tell her to shut up, cuz. Tell them to shut up. Shut the f up. Damn.
Observing the music and then doing whatever we did inside and writing into it.
Out of hand for so long.
good.
And every
This is
incident,
gonna be
it's
his
not
copy.
because of all those other nights that tonight was so horrible. Tonight we dealt with just tonight. Tonight you would have gotten a ticket and we all would have left. But your decisions changed that.
I went in the house.
Right, and you weren't allowed to.
All right, hop up, man. I'll roll the window down for you so you get a little more.
As much air as we can.
I'll turn the AC up too.
I hope next time it's
It's
different.
not even this serious, guys.
I agree.
Shouldn't have been.
I agree.
Come on, guys. I'm gonna pay the ticket, bro.
I know.
The Fourth Amendment protects the home above all other spaces. A warrantless entry into a residence is presumptively unreasonable, permitted only with consent, a warrant, or a genuine emergency. The Controlling cases, Lange versus California decided in 2021, which also arose from loud music. The Supreme Court held that pursuit of a misdemeanor suspect does not by itself justify entering a home without a warrant. Payton versus New York and Welsh versus Wisconsin reinforced this. A warrantless in-home arrest is presumptively unconstitutional, and the minor nature of an offense makes a qualifying emergency unlikely. Under Kentucky versus King, a true exigency means a real risk of escape, destruction of evidence, or harm to others. A simple refusal to cooperate does not qualify. Once an officer states that a person is not free to leave, the encounter becomes a seizure. Terry versus Ohio requires reasonable suspicion of a crime to support that detention. There is no general duty to identify yourself to police. Hybel versus 6th Judicial District permits compelled identification only during a lawful stop and only where a state law requires it. Force is measured under Graham versus Connor for objective reasonableness. Chemical spray used over a noise complaint inside an occupied home with children present raises a serious proportionality concern. Obstruction and resisting charges require interference with a lawful act. In many states, the lawfulness of the entry is itself part of the analysis. If the entry was unlawful, the resulting evidence may be suppressed and the officers may face civil liability under Title 42, Section 1983. The lesson for law enforcement is direct. A minor offense rarely justifies entering a home. Disengaging and pursuing a citation by mail is lawful, safer, and avoids constitutional risk. The lesson for citizens is equally practical. Providing identification and accepting a citation preserves every legal challenge for court, where an unlawful entry can be contested from a position of strength.